back to another video. And today, do you want to know why we have these materials here? It's because today, for this video, we're going to be making a cake. So, and for help, since we don't know how to make one by ourselves, we have our dad here behind the camera, and yeah.
Things first is you're going to want to read the instructions. Okay, first thing is you want to heat the oven to 350 degrees, which we have done so. Okay, next, you want to take your cake mix out of the box, which we've done that. We'll put it in the bowl, okay, and then it says to add 1 cup of water, a half a cup of vegetable oil, and then 3 eggs. Okay, and then we're going to add some food coloring because it's a strawberry flavored cake. And once it's all said and done, we're going to add the frosting with blue food coloring. Okay, and we have our pans here. Okay, so Adam, did you want to go ahead and get 1 cup of water?
And guys.
Okay, so that's a half a cup.
Okay.
All right,
so I need 2.
Correct. Okay.
If you guys know, we're gonna make a strawberry cake, and on the back there's like all the instructions, and yeah, pretty simple. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna be making.
Okay, now Adam is going to be adding the cup of water. And typically you would probably do this, I would say, over the sink, just in case you spill. Adding another one. Okay. Now, yeah, no. Aaron, let's go ahead and add a half a cup of vegetable oil. No, and see how that is right there?
Yeah. Keep it even.
Okay, pour it in there.
Pour it in. Alright.
Okay. Alright, now we need eggs. We need the eggs.
Yeah, do the cracked one first. Guys, if I were you,
yeah,
I would crack the eggs. Egg that's most cracked, but if they're all not cracked, then can I do that egg?
Yeah, come here. Come here.
Make sure you don't get any shells.
Yep, you want to make sure that you don't get any shells in the cake, or else when you eat it,
I'm pretty safe.
you're gonna bite down on it.
Guys, sometimes I get some stuff in it.
Okay, who wants to stir?
Me.
Okay,
we take turns.
Yep, we'll take turns. Okay, you guys stir.
Stir for
Okay.
2 minutes.
Make sure you break up those eggs.
Yep,
stirring.
How many?
Okay, do 1 drop and then, yeah, depending on.
Guys, it looks so red. It's so red, guys. Now it's turning pink like
Aaron, why don't you take the bowl and show them?
Okay, guys. So this is what it looks like. It smells really good. It smells like strawberries.
Mm-hmm. And then you guys can keep adding. The darker you want it, just keep adding food coloring.
Really?
Yeah. 1 drop.
One drop. Now let's mix it. Mix it.
We want it really dark for us.
Yeah, we like it dark, so then it can be like there's strawberries. And guess what? We still have some blue. It's going to make it kind of dark.
For the frosting, guys.
It might turn out purple. I don't know. Depends.
Got this idea.
Yeah, we made it. Dad, what do I do now?
Here, I finished.
Yeah, we're finished.
Now we pour it in.
Yep.
Put in.
Okay, now we need to pour it in to the pan. So a little bit at a time because we want to use both pans.
Yeah, a little bit. Adam, you pour that
Towards the middle. Okay.
Is that good?
Yep. No, that's good.
No, can I pour the other one?
Yeah, sure.
Towards the middle a little bit, Adam or Aaron.
Usually.
looks like in the pan,
the best way to do
guys.
this is you hold it up and then you kind of whisk it.
This is what it looks like in the pan.
Okay.
Now we want to use all of it, guys.
Looks
Because
really
good.
like pink.
I actually want to eat it because it smells kind of like strawberries when you get up to it, and it kind of smells like strawberry, kind of.
Comment down below what your favorite
Cake is.
yeah, cake. All right, so we have to put the cake batter or whatever it's called into the oven, and the box said we have to put it in for 28 minutes, but we're actually gonna put it in for 20 minutes. So
I'm going to open the oven.
he's gonna open the oven.
And now we're going to put it in very carefully. It's got hot. So I put it right here.
Burn yourself.
Okay, now I'm going to shut it. Guys, so
All right, so what we have is cream cheese frosting, and we are going to put that blue food coloring inside of here.
And
So-
then we're gonna, So let's do it. Let's do it right now. How many drops? Great.
Two.
Doesn't know.
It's okay.
Ooh,
Ooh, that's dark.
I know. I did 4 drops. 4.
This is kind of hard.
It's gonna be messed up when I have a big surprise.
All right, we're all done with our frosting, mixing it up, and this is what it looks like. And now all we need to wait for is the cake to be done.
There's
So-
13 minutes, okay? 13.
So we are going to check on the cakes and put them in the chill thing, the refrigerator, and we're gonna put it in because we can't put the frosting on because it's too hot. So
Open it up. Wait, I forgot. That's my cake. That's your cake.
it looked good.
Fine.
So
Now we're gonna wait 5 to 10 minutes and
Yes.
comment down below if you think it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be good. because
Yeah,
it
same.
Smells so good.
Yeah, it smells like strawberries.
Yeah.
Gonna put them on the placemats right here. Right. Now it's Aaron's turn.
Now it's my turn. All 2 gloves and skin it. I'm nervous. Nervous. I'm gonna drop it. See if I drop it. It doesn't fit that well.
Are going to stack these cakes and then put that on. So come on in.
You put that on and I'll do the top. That's what
Yeah, I know.
Disney said.
So I just do it like that.
Ooh.
Now we are going to put the layer of frosting onto the cake, and then we're going to put the other layer of cake onto this one. So let's do this. Spread it. Oops. Alright, so now we're going to put the other layer of cake onto this layer of frosting and cake.
Alright guys, so let's do it.
Come on, Aaron. We got this.
Ooh!
That looks so good.
I know.
Wait. That's good. We're having so much fun.
my teeth black?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trying to focus here. There's a big star right here, like in the middle. No, not the star. Not the star. All right, guys.
This is your cake.
Comment down below if you think this will be good,
I don't think it will be good. Look at this. I'm just kidding. I think
and subscribe
turn on the notification bell.
and hit the thumbs up button.
I think this thing is running out.
Yeah, because you're using like all of it.
Yeah, I can barely use it.
I'm making twirls.
I'm eating it.
Finished product. I tried writing my name in the 2 stars, but Aaron ruined it. And thanks for watching. And
Look
bye.
at my teeth, guys.
Bye.
That's the end.